All right, well, whenever you're ready.
All right. Well, everybody wants to know what's up with my car, so I'll just go through a list of stuff. It's basically factory block with some ARP studs, stock factory gasket, basically a stock block with some add-ons of the exhaust intake, intercooler pipes, fuel pressure gauge, urethane engine mounts, small battery kit, it's basically a stock block, stock turbo engine putting out just over 300 wheel horsepower. In addition, for cooling, have the oversized aluminum racing radiator, the omission of the air conditioning system. It's been taken out of the car. And then as you come out of the car, the headlights have been removed and blank filler plates have been put in replace of the headlights to remove as much weight as possible out of the front end of the car. There's under tray body work with APR front splitter with aluminum under tray that have been mated together to create a flat bottom effect underneath the car.